Dice roll here. That's a 10. Make sure I got the recording on. Here we go. 10 on the random. 1. There it is. There's 10. Booyah! There's your order, boys and girls. Bowman's Best Basketball. We're going for some serious, card saver ones. You the man. Got the card saver ones. Got to open this box. Fred remembers this stuff. 97 Bowman's Best Basketball. I know. Living the dream. Timmy D. Chauncey Billups rookies. Tim Duncan rookies. We got Jordans. Okay, guys. Good luck. I'm not sure, Chad. I'll have to check with Leighton on that. Spot 1. Frank gets pack number 1. Good luck, Frank. Got a Kobe. Got a Kobe. Kobe base. Pack 1 in the books. Pack 2. Jesse, good luck, Jesse. Looking for Duncan. Johnny Taylor refractor. Nothing exciting. Jack, spot 3. Good luck, Jack. Welcome, Jack. First time breaking with us. I wish you good luck. Spot 4, Jack. Danny Ferry. Ugh. That's disgusting. Danny Ferry was once the number 1 pick for the Cavaliers. Out of Duke. He was, you know, the curse. Travis! What's up, Travis? You see that Lemieux rookie we pulled for you, Travis?
Show him.
I don't have. Oh, I do have it. Travis, let me know if you want to see that Lemieux. Got a Michael Jordan here. Let's get that Jordan taken care of.
Spot 4 on the homepage. The other thing is that he emailed you about Victor over his credit. Yeah, I emailed him twice now. Yeah, he hasn't used it. I don't know if he's not getting an email or.
So we've emailed him.
Yeah.
And you just told him that again?
Not emailed him. That's on. Can you reply? Can you reply?
Okay. All right. So no problem.
Spot 6. This is Jack. No, this is Sal. Sal, we got a insert. Ugh. Antonio Daniels, unfortunately. That means there's still good stuff left in here. Bob, that's quite possible. Travis, are you ready for this, brother? I interrupt this regularly scheduled break to show Travis his freaking beautiful Mario Lemieux dead centered. Look at that, Travis. Do you see this card here? Dude. We're going to send this to PSA. If you don't want to do it, we're going to do it for you, Travis. Travis, you got a ridiculous card in your hand. Spot 7. Right now. This is Jesse's. Good luck, Jesse. Jesse paints a picture about how it's going to be. You know that song there, Fred?
Yep.
See, John wasn't born yet. Spot 8. Jack. Good luck, Jack. Ooh. Little Chauncey Billups. We're looking for some atomics. We're actually looking for a Michael Jordan atomic refractor. Wouldn't that be beautiful? Travis wants to grade that. All right?
Okay.
So, be in touch with him. Is that all right?
You on my way.
What's that?
You don't ruin my life.
It's my life. Sorry, I won't sing anymore.
Travis.
Yeah, you made the whole thing.
What's up, Migs?
Those 85.5.
Glen Rice Atomic. I hope this is not the Atomic that we get out of the box. It's an insert, so it wouldn't be.
Yep, 85 maybe. Oh, so that's one we sent out from Mr. Trace. Got a PSA here.
On Lemieux?
Yep, so
This
it's,
one's-
Stephen B.
This one's a lot nicer. Here's spot 11. We get that Ozzie Smith pack yet?
Ozzie Smith. Nope. They're backed up, so.
Dude, I'm backed up. You know what I'm saying? Tracy McGrady rookie.
Team.
But if you order the right dinner, I won't be backed up anymore.
Ah. Okay.
Dude, you know what? You know what I had last week, and I will never eat it again. It was the most disgusting food I've ever eaten.
No.
Calcutta wok. It was Indian Chinese food. It was horrendous. I think it was made poorly, but it was just gross. I didn't know that. Pack 12. This is Chris's. Good luck, Chris. Another McGrady rookie. 2 McGradys in a row. Hall of Famer. Tracy McGrady, by the way. 2 packs in a row. What's up next, Robert? 74 basketball? Is that in the PSA holder or no?
What? No.
Okay, cool. That's next. So we'll do 74 basketball next. Okay, halfway done with the box, guys. Spot 13 is Jake's. Good luck, Jake. Guys, don't forget we have a personal pack special moving forward, and that basically is if you buy a whole pack on your own, we're going to give you a breaker credit back for 1 spot. It's called the personal pack special. Okay, spot 14, Joe Smith refractor. Oof, former #1 pick. That is Jake's. We got Jack coming up next. Spot 15 is Jack's. Let's see what we pull out of this pack here. Okay, All Stars. Spot 16. Would be pretty cool if we pulled a Kobe Bryant autograph. I think there are Kobe Bryant autographs in here. All right, that's 16. Jesse's on spot 17. Good luck, Jesse. All Stars. Still haven't got a Duncan yet. Here we go. Spot 18. 18 belongs to Jack. Good luck, Jack. John, who sings that song?
Bon Jovi.
You should keep it that way.
Come on, man. I'm good.
Good compared to a dead person.
Better than you.
Never ever debated that. Oh man, this is a pretty bad pack. Got a checklist though. Not easy to get a checklist, guys. Alright, spot 20. Spot 20 is Paul. Good luck, Paul. Here we go. An insert. So it's Camby, Kemp, Duncan, and Dave Robinson. It's a mirror image. Mirror image. Tim Duncan, insert rookie. That's Paul's. Jack's got the last 4 packs. Good luck, Jack. I wish you luck, sir. Okay, all base. We haven't gotten a Duncan rookie yet. Maybe it's coming up. The third McGrady. 3 McGradys. He is a Hall of Famer, guys. Don't forget. T-Mac. Okay, 2 more packs. 2 more packs. So we got Jack for the last 2 packs. Okay, last pack, Jack. Last pack, Mojo. Here we go. Last pack, Mojo. Something in here, guys. A little refractor action. Ugh, gross. Sorry, guys. A Donald foil. Ugh. That's pretty gross. It's alright. Bowman's best in the books. Up next, got that 74 basketball for me. Thank you, Robert. Oh, cool. We got 2 of them. Alright. Guys, we're just breaking.